Hi, I'm Night Cook. Welcome to my channel. Today I am prepare the Brussels sprout.
And they're just going to be doing two different types of Brussels sprout today. The first one is basically trying to gut the Brussels sprouts, which looks like this, into something more of just the shell. It's pretty common in the restaurant business where people are having salads, and he's going to also shred them using one of the professional mandolin, which you'll see much later. And one thing you probably want to note is also the knife that he's using. It's pretty small, be able to kind of get in there and you can see you put the trash to the side here, and here's the shell. And he's going to do the same thing for the remaining of the Brussels sprouts. Now there's two techniques that we're going to do here. The first one will be slicing it with a knife, and second we'll be using a professional mandolin to achieve the results. There you have it. That's the chopped Brussels sprouts. Now we're going to bring in the professional mandolin next. Now you can typically get one of these at, say, in Amazon or maybe a Walmart for about $60. They're a much cheaper alternative, obviously, for $10 that's out in the market today that would do just as fine. Again, we're trying to achieve the results of this in preparation for a salad using the mandolin. Yes, it is. You can see all the Brussels sprouts are now at the bottom.
There you have it, Brussels sprout. Thank you for watching. See you next time.